This is the students wearing red t-shirt, long jump competition, jumping nicely. And in the Alamin Islamic Model School, the game is held 38th number annual sports week held in the field of Alamin Islamic Model School, Goromeri under Soikost. The student is coming for long jump and a good jump at the end. And you can see the students. Participating, and here you can see the teachers and all, and they are participating a beautiful ground, and in the sand they are jumping for the long jump. So it is nice to jump here. And again another competitor has come, and you can see now blowing of whistle, another competitors and jumping and coming like this. Very nice enjoyment. The young days, it reminds me the young days, youthful days age when we used to jump. These are the students of Alamin Islamic Model School competing in the competition to become first. Every competitors wants to become first, and they are class 9 students of Alamin Islamic Model School jumping and on the sand in the long jump competition. And you can see in the back camera of journalist Ruhul Amin Akanda, you can see, and marking is needed. The teachers are wanting to mark the line with the fine floor, and you can see that side of the field another event is going on, and the river bank competition is going on. Here you can see the buildings of Alamin Islamic Model School, a good tree, beautiful rain tree you can see here, and a shadow, and that side building. And in this side you can see the sands like the Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert of South Africa. These are the sands filling up. When the sand will be filled up completely, then it will be a large field. And these are the students. And waving their hands of Allah. Don't speak Bengali. You should not speak English. These are the students waving their hands, playing in the sand. Youthful days. The small students love to play in the sand. And sunbath, they are taking the sunbath in the warm area. And now you can see these are the school buildings, and that side on the eastern part there is a building, and on the western part is also a fine building, and that side you can see the school. And now again the game is starting the game, and a very nice jump by another student, and you can see jumping, and you can see here they are jumping, coming towards, and coming and jump nicely. You can see he has touched the line, and another chance is given to him. In the two t-shirts, Mr. Shafiqul Islam is preparing the field. A honorable referee blowing the whistle, and it's again and coming and jumping, nice jump. And it is the long jump competition they are giving, and that side the river bank play is going on. You can see here in the loudspeaker, and blowing of whistle. And here you can see the students coming for the long jump, and nice, and you can't jump so much nicely, and not touched. And there are some rules and regulations. If you touch the marking starting line, then you will be disqualified, and the students are participating. And we are coming to the final round, and nice jump, but he is also qualified. And I think it is going to be a tough battle let's see who can win. Another competitors and jumping, and he is also qualified. And after some time, they will be giving their second round jump. Another student, nice jump and qualified. He is also qualified, and we are watching the students coming from quite distance. This is Asif Chaudhary jumping, and I think he is qualified also.
Yes, sir, qualified.
And yes, Mr. Asif Chaudhary is also qualified. The student of class 9. You can see in a fierce mood, like a lion, ferocious lion, coming and jumping, and jumping on the sand very nicely. Now let's see what this boy can do, and he is also, I think, qualified. And very nice environment here. It is the 30th school annual school week of Al-Amin Islamic Model School. The school is located in Goroimari. It is under the jurisdiction of Soiga constituency, rural Kamrup here, and the students are participating. And in the long jump competition, I am showing you the long jump competition here. The students are jumping and falling on the sand, and they are getting a beautiful place to jump here. And now the students are small students are doing notorious activities. You can see another student is jumping, yeah, and touching the line. I think he is disqualified. Touch the line. This is competitors. After that, there will be a final. The students are waving their hand. You can see our Sofiul sir here, and nice jump. I think disqualified. This student is also disqualified. Disqualified student. You are giving sand in my shoes. Don't give sand.
You should give it. Long jump.
If the sand enters my shoes, then it will become dirty.
Sir,
So, don't
sir,
talk.
I am cameraman. You should.
Yes, qualified.
Yes,
Now
yes.
last competitors here now, and giving floor, and he is coming for the long jump competition. You can see, yes, you can see, and I think he is disqualified. Now our Suman sir is jumping and comes a little bit, and for humorous reason, for
Sir is from what group?
making love the students.
Sir is white.
Now again final round will be there, and this match is from my side. Hoping you are enjoying the school competition of Al-Amin Islamic Model School. The students are cheering and they are giving hi. Hoping I will make many other videos in the next time. Thanks all of you, and you will watch my channel, and you will subscribe my channel, and you will like my channel. And all the students are here. They are smiling and making fun. Yes, thanks.